On to the next question. So this question is asking, so Jangles Corporation receives $20,000 invoice. So we have 20,000. March 3rd. The cash discount terms are 310 and 30. So 310 means just 3% discount. I'll just say D. If the payment is given within 10 days, so that's what, so 310, this means 3%, this means within 10 days. And then we have net 30 for the total payment. So you have 30 days for total payment. On March 10, Jangles sends a partial payment of 12,000. So 12,000. What credit should Jangles receive for the partial payment? So because the difference between March 3rd, so over here March 3rd and March 10th is less than 10 days, they would get that 3% discount, which we would have to add on to the 12,000 payment. So essentially what we have to do is 12,000, we would take the total, so we have the total payment that is required, which is 20,000, and subtract the 12,000 payment plus the 3% discount on the 12,000. So I'll just write it down here. So plus 3% of 12,000. So 12K. And that's all in brackets. So calculating this gives us 20K minus 12K. So just K for meaning 1,000. So 20,000 minus 12,000 plus 3% of 12,000 is 360. So here 20,000 minus 12, 360. So this is how much should be credited on the invoice of 20,000, and the balance that we'd get from that, if we put it in our calculator, we'd get 7,640. So really the question is asking us for how much credit should Jangles receive for this partial payment. So we'd say $12,360 of credit should be received. So that would be subtracted from the invoice, so the cost that they have to pay, and that would give you the balance of 7,640. So here, similar process form. So within 10 days of receipt of invoice, hence it will be entitled for a discount of 3% on 12,000. So they calculate that and they get 360. So the amount of credit Jangles should receive for this partial payment is 12,360. And we know that the balance would be 7,640. So here, solution is correct. Great work.